Hello everyone, my name is Dory O'Neill and welcome back to my channel Master Affiliate Profits Review. Today we're going to tackle one of the most significant challenges affiliate marketers face, list building, and we'll explore how the Master Affiliate Profits platform solves this issue more effectively than ever before. In a moment, I'll share how you can get a done-for-you YouTube viral funnel complete with done-for-you email sequences valued at more than $5,000 for free. The power of email marketing in Master Affiliate Profits. One of the standout features of Master Affiliate Profits is frictionless enrollment. This revolutionary feature allows individuals to enroll for free without any upfront costs or barriers. Once enrolled, new members gain access to comprehensive affiliate marketing training valued at $600. But that's not all. These new members also become eligible to earn a 25% commission for anyone they introduce to Master Affiliate Profits. Moreover, the platform auto-markets additional benefits and encourages the new member to purchase further products and upgrade their membership over a 90-day period. This automated system ensures that new members are continually engaged and motivated to take full advantage of everything Master Affiliate Profits offers while simultaneously being automatically added to the enroller's integrated private Aweber Autoresponder. This is a game changer. It allows the enrolling member to focus on building relationships and marketing other goods and services to their growing list. The Master Affiliate Profits team takes care of the heavy lifting, ensuring that every new member is nurtured and supported throughout their journey. Now here's where it gets really exciting. If you join Master Affiliate Profits through my affiliate link, you'll become eligible for an extraordinary $5,000 done-for-you YouTube viral funnel. This funnel is designed to drive significant traffic and revenue, offering a high-converting platform that's ready to go. In addition to this valuable funnel, you'll receive 2 done-for-you email sequences. The first sequence powers my done-for-you YouTube viral funnel, ensuring that your leads are nurtured and guided towards conversion. The second sequence powers the built-in integrated private Aweber Autoresponder, providing ongoing engagement and value to your subscribers. This game-changing free bonus also includes an optional done-for-you secondary revenue stream, further enhancing your earning potential. By joining my team, you'll not only gain access to these exceptional tools, but also enjoy additional benefits such as live training sessions, motivational email series, and exclusive access to my marketing strategies. The power of email marketing within the Master Affiliate Profits platform cannot be overstated. By leveraging frictionless enrollment and my done-for-you systems, you can build a thriving affiliate marketing business with ease. To experience these benefits firsthand, I encourage you to take the free test drive today. Visit yesshowme.com/map and see for yourself how the Master Affiliate Profits platform can revolutionize your affiliate marketing efforts. With comprehensive training, automated support, and game-changing bonuses, this is an opportunity you don't want to miss. Join my Master Affiliate Profits team and unlock the full potential of email marketing, driving traffic, leads, and revenue like never before. So there you have it, folks. The Master Affiliate Profits platform offers you all the tools and support you need to succeed in affiliate marketing. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like this video and leave a comment with any questions you may have. Also, make sure to check out my Master Affiliate Profits Review YouTube channel for more insights, tips, and live training sessions. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to meeting you online and celebrating your victories with our Master Affiliate Profits Review community. Take the free test drive today and start your journey towards financial independence.